Won the toss and chose to bowl. It's a new wicket that looks good for plenty of runs, but Virat Kohli's India is a team that loves to chase. So batting first will be Pakistan, and they have the in-form Azhar and Fakhar. India simply has the best batting lineup in international one-day cricket. Dhawan and Sharma have scored more runs than anyone else in this competition, and captain Kohli has the highest
Pakistan
trophy on this surface. And here we go, the first ball of the final. That's a good delivery outside the off stump, taking it away from the right-hander. Outside edge, and he nicks it this time. That's exactly what Ramiz was talking about. There will be a check on the front foot.
He's hoping against hope that this may work for Pakistan. He's clearly over the line, and it's a no ball. You're breathing again. Incredible.
He was looking to go back on his way, Fakhar Zaman, but Jasprit Bumrah.
Oh, gets it off an inside edge. It's a boundary. It's a straight hit, and well timed by Azhar Ali. There's the pull shot. Slip, push wider, it's gone through the two. Keeper, and the slip fielder that's been given his leg byes. That's gone. 4 for Fakhar Zaman. He can do that. Very unorthodox in approach and mighty effective. 4, edge. That's into the gap, wrong line from Bumrah. It's a fast outfield chase for the man in the deep. He loses the battle.
It was just a push, just a flick.
6. Taking on Ashwin. That's the first 6 of the innings, and comes from Azhar Ali. Good shot, good placement as well.
Yeah, great shot.
Good shot, firm push. That's going to get him 4. Good shot this. He's gone with the angle. That's a terrific shot by the left-hander. Vacant space in that area. 6 to 9 for no wicket.
In the air and could hurry away for 4. It does. Azhar Ali ends the over with a boundary. 86 for none. Big shot. Don't think he'll cut that one off. Excellent shot. 100 up for Pakistan, 100 for none in the final.
Excellent stuff from Pakistan.
And Fakhar Zaman has found the boundary. That'll be 50, yeah, he's just tucked it on the leg side, and he has 50, just a tickle on the leg side, and they need their senior players to stand up. Looking to open up that offside, gets through, it's a misfield. Yuvraj at backward point, he misses it, and that's 50 for Fakhar Zaman as well. He joins his partner. This is a wonderful combination, an exceptional start, 114 for none.
Played it late. MS is not happy with that line. Jaydev gives up the chase. Oh, chance of a run out. Chance of a run out. Azhar Ali left stranded. He was ball watching. His partner wasn't interested, and it had to happen. India finding some luck finally.
Overs.
That's a big shot, big 6. Fakhar Zaman has played a lovely shot down the ground and finds the gap, pierces the field through the offside. Excellent batting.
There's Ramiz Sid.
Down the track and hit it ever so sweetly. Beats the field on the offside. This is brilliant stuff from the left-hander. It's a straight hit and a big hit. A flat 6. Fakhar Zaman making it look ridiculously easy, taking on Ashwin. Oh, more runs. I think that was pretty deliberate. Bumrah almost catching up with the ball, but not to be. Big over. Oh, over Dhoni's head for 4. He's not going to stop himself from playing few shots, and here is Sanjay Manjrekar.
That's going to be 4, and that's going to be 100. His first one-day international 100, and what a stage to get that in.
What an opposition to do it against India in a final. Quite remarkable, given a life on 3, out off a no ball. What an amazing story.
Something about world wins and no ball that continue to haunt India. He's gone in that direction. First ball has disappeared for a 6. Pressure on Ashwin, and what batting. And as we thought and feared and anticipated, Fakhar Zaman is gone after 100.
It was Ravi Jadeja. This was not an easy catch at all. Swirling over his shoulder, he made it look so easy. Bucket hands. A wonderful 100 comes to an end. Zaman goes for 114. It's 200 for 2.
That's got to be 4. Couldn't find the Yorker. Juicy full toss. Good shot. Very good shot. Stand and deliver. Excellent balance in the execution there.
4. Oh, big shot from Shoaib Malik. He's found it. Yeah, that's over. That's a maximum.
He's a very good player of spin.
Oh, slash away the width again. It's a long boundary out there, but he's got it well enough for 4. It's another boundary for Pakistan. Another short one. Nice little flick of the wrist. That's gone for 4 too. That was nothing more than just a little flick. Well bowled, it's in the air. And got him. That's the one India wanted. Well bowled, Bhuvaneshwar. Got the very dangerous Shoaib Malik out. Tried to give himself some room again.
That's exactly what I was trying to say. Don't just hit it blindly, be sensible. And Shoaib Malik had decided to hit this delivery. Easy catch for Kedar Jadhav. Still in a good position, Pakistan. 247 for 3.
Oh well, or just keep going for it. That's a great shot down the ground. Well played. That's the attitude Pakistan have had for the whole day. Have a go. That's the first ball. Oh, the round arm, and he got it. He got it. That was a bad ball from Jadeja there. Just tried to bowl it faster. He thought he was coming down the fees. Well played. And that was all due to that first shot when he used his feet. Oh, has he got him? Yeah, he's got him this time. 1 bounce for 4. Put on the charge. I need a few more of them, Pakistan.
A very good shot.
Oh, it's in the air. Now, is that in the gap? No, it's a mid-offs under it. And got it. Clean as a whistle. Calm as you like, big Yuvraj. Thanks very much. On your bike, Bubba. That's the one that India wanted.
That batsman out. 267 for 4.
Nice and straight. Whip square on the leg side. That's 4. Beautifully timed again from Hafiz. When we're getting straight onto the pads.
Big shot. Has he connected? That's gone. Oh, almost a very good attempt, but that's done the distance. Hafiz with a very fine strike.
Another maximum.
It's a straight hit and a magnificent strike. That's gone all the way for 6. Pakistan batting beautifully.
Down the wicket again. Got close to it. Hits it hard and flat. Straight back over the bowler's head.
Oh, big one from Hafiz. 300 for Pakistan.
It was just a perfect length ball there from Bhuvaneshwar. See him here, stays stationary, didn't commit either way.
Slow ball, hit hard, straight back. No chance for the fielder at long off. 50 for Hafiz. He didn't like the shot, but it's been a great innings. 50 from 34. Straight hit, 6! Great result. And he's played a blinder here. I'm repeating myself. And 56 from 36, Pakistan 336 now. Last ball of the innings. Imad Wasim makes room, hits it, but can't find the fence. They didn't take the second run, so India would be pretty happy with the way it ended. The last 3 or 4 overs, they were on target. Mickey Arthur would know that they'll still have to bowl extremely well to limit India to less than 338.
Mohammad Hafiz played a little blinder there, finished 57 not out from 37 balls.
A terrific batting display by Pakistan began with a blistering opening partnership between Azhar and Fakhar, the left-hander hitting a sublime 114. To be the highest total chase down in this tournament if India managed to overhaul the massive Pakistan total of 338.
Sharma on strike. Nervy push at the first delivery. Oh, close, that's come back in, given! That's an absolute perler. Will Sharma review it? I reckon he thinks he's gone, that's a beauty.
First wicket for Pakistan, a big blow.
Final, it's 0 for 1. Edged, oh, dropped! Not a man you want to drop.
Yeah, trailing 6 for 2.
Bouncer pulled away, 1 bounce, they needed that boundary, they got it. Slower ball, driven on the up. The outfield's quick. Is it quick enough? Yes. Top edge, that'll go away for 4. Hurried in for pace.
With and punished. Cracking shot, gets it past the inner ring. That bat is making a special sound. Dhawan on the move here, 19 now. Oh, taken, caught behind, cross seam, working fantastically for Mohammad Amir. And it's a big one, big fish.
21. India reeling, 33 for 3.
Oh, he's so good against spin. This may just backfire for Pakistan, this move of introducing spin to Yuvraj. Another shot down the ground, it's a 4. This clearly has misfired, this move. Has allowed Yuvraj Singh with few easy boundaries. Oh, graceful, celestial in style. Yuvraj Singh has earned India with a massive advantage. 14 runs in that over, 47 for 3. Pad first, then the bat. Gone for the appeal. Sarfraz feels that there's a strong case. Right, they've gone for a review. So the case here to study for the third umpire is...
Thank you, that's fair delivery. Can we go to front on, please? See whether it's hit pad first. It certainly looks like it has. Can you go to hotspot, please? Yeah, definitely pad first. I'm happy to go straight to ball tracking there, thank you. Here it is, ball tracking coming up now, Richard. Impact is in line. And it's going on to hit the wickets. So we're overturning our decision. You're on camera now, Richard.
Incredible. What a wicket. Shadab Khan has bamboozled the left-hander. Nothing really has worked for India so far in this contest. It's Yuvraj Singh, the latest exit. Pull shot, catch it is the call. MS is out. Caught by Imad Wasim. The trap was set. And it's Hassan Ali who's given Pakistan another massive breakthrough.
The energy with the ball, what a shot that is. That'll be 4. Just the energy and everything they've brought. That's one of the shots of the day for that. It's 67 for 5.
Oh, this one's gone straight up. This is going to be another wicket. The captain's called for it and takes it with the big hands. 6th wicket gone. Shadab Khan strikes again. No need for a review this time. And Kedar Jadhav, that's the way he played. Oh, interesting shot that from Hardik Pandya. Has he got enough? Yes, he has. In fact, more than enough. It's gone in the 2nd tier.
That was an upper decker. Nice swing of the bat. No use of the feet. Just stand and deliver stuff. And have a look at that. That's up in the top deck.
That's hit through the onside, and that's gone miles into the stands. He's a very powerful hitter, Hardik Pandya. And that's against the turn over the mid-wicket boundary through the onside. This time again, will he clear the boundary? He does. Back-to-back 6s for Hardik Pandya. Hits it again. 3rd 6 of the over. 3 consecutive 6s. Brings up his 15 good time in just 32 deliveries. And it's the fastest 50 in a World ODI final. Tossed it again. This time through covers. Races away to the boundary. 22 runs from this over so far, and there's still one more delivery to go. This time through mid-wicket. It'll go over mid-on. Another 6 for Hardik Pandya. One more. This time a longer one. Probably the longest. Almost to the 3rd tire. Got rid of all 3 of them. Chance of a run out, both at the same end. And Hardik Pandya has to go. What India did in the morning, Pakistan does it in the afternoon.
So as well with some running between.
Outside edge. They haven't missed much, Pakistan. And once again, Junaid Khan strikes with the old ball. Outside edge. Hassan strikes again. What a cricketer he is.
What about the energy that's created in that Pakistan huddle right now? They're coming from everywhere, the players, as they should. Hassan Ali again. Good length, seam up. Ashwin flashes outside the up stump. Feather through to Sarfraz. And isn't he happy, the Pakistan captain? India now 9 for 156.
A very long break. They richly deserve this. They were the better side on the day. Brilliant with the bat and exquisite with the ball. And Sarfraz, what a leader they found in it. Go up. And it really was one cracker of a performance. Just a complete performance from Sarfraz and his men. On a flat track, they were able to derail, dent, demolish Indian batting.
Well, the best batting lineup in the world simply didn't turn up. Rohit Sharma, Virat Kohli, MS Dhoni and Kedar Jadhav all failing to reach double figures. But what a performance from the Pakistan bowling attack. Mohammad Amir bowled with accuracy and ferocity. He took 3 for 16, taking India's openers and the captain. The 8th ranked team in the world proved everyone wrong against their biggest rival. Pakistan won by 180 runs